Hello everyone. Welcome to Traders GP, our YouTube channel. I would love to say thank you guys for those who subscribed, for those who keep on watching the videos. I would like to say thank you guys, and I hope that one day you guys reach your goals. I hope that one day you guys become profitable traders. Okay. And yeah, so for more information, guys, I will leave my WhatsApp number in the description below in case if you guys need any assistance with your trading skills, if you want to upgrade in hands, okay, mentorship, anything. So yeah guys, let's go on with it guys. Now, so today I have my top 5, and I'm gonna start with dollar index, because you know that's where we get most of the direction from. Okay, so as always guys, I start from daily time frame. Everything is done already, so I just need this video to be quick, you understand? Everything is done quickly. As you can see guys, that the market here was moving upwards, you understand? The market was moving upwards, and then it kept on breaking the highs up until this point, here, up until this point where it broke below, you understand? So this is change of character up until this point, and then after this happened, what happened? After this happened, the market gave us an impulse to the downside. Downside. Now we're currently on a correction whereby we will be looking for a dead touch here. So we're waiting for the market to go up and then give us my psychology on this ray line here, and then touch for give us a dead touch and then continue down. Okay, so this is daily guys. We still have chance to take our buys on 4-hour time frame. So let's go to 4-hour and see. So this is where the real work starts, understand? This is where the real work starts. So basically guys, this is what happened. This is the low, right? This is the low, and on the 4-hour we failed to break this low, you understand? So chances are we might be moving up. If not, then we might be coming back down to complete this pattern here. We might be coming down to complete, which I believe there is a high chance we might be coming down to complete this pattern here, you understand? We might be coming down for a dead touch and move up like this. So yeah, I'll go with this one because at first I had another option, which is okay to look at. The market had failed to break here, but if you take a closer look, this low is broken, you understand? This low is broken, and this high it's still a strong high. So the chances are the market will come below this low because of the low is broken. It was only going up for this other block here. So that it can break this low, you understand? Because now this low is already broken, and as we know that the market it's actually moving up, right? So we'll draw a correction like this on this 1-hour time frame, right? And then we know that the market must come here and then just to go up. And then what are we targeting? We're targeting at that touch there, you understand? We're targeting at that touch. We'll keep on trailing our stop losses. We're targeting at that touch. So on USD pairs, we'll be looking for buys, you understand? On USD pairs, we'll be looking for buys. Short-term sales probably on Monday, and then on a Tuesday we'll be taking buys. Okay, so let's see the next pair here. The next pair is USDCAD. Is USDCAD. So even on USDCAD, I took this buy, and then I moved to what you call this. I moved to break even. Because of on 15 minutes time frame. I think I saw that there's a correction coming. You see, so the market might. Okay, let's start from daily actually. Let's start from daily so that you understand. Let's start from daily so that you guys understand what I saw here. See, so let me remove this. Here. So guys, this is what I saw. You understand? We're coming for this high here. We're coming for this high here on top. We're actually coming for this high here. So knowing that we're coming for this high, what I did is that obviously I took a ray line. I put on this. Understand? I took a ray line and then I put on this high. Understand? And then I know that on smaller time frame I'm looking for the market to come here, because of the market before it goes down, it has to break the high. You see, even here the market broke the high. You see, it broke the high before it went down, and then it broke the high before it went down. Even here I'll be looking for the same thing. It must break the highs before it comes down. Understand? On USDCAD. So going to smaller time frame, what do I see here? What I see is this. It's similar to what I saw on DXY, but since the market is not clear, I'm gonna move to 1 hour. I need to see clear structure, clear patterns. You understand, guys? And then on a 1 hour time frame, I see that there's this here. The market might come to retest this area, or the market might come to retest this area. So what I do is I draw my trend line like this. Understand? And wait for what? And wait for a third touch. It's simple, guys. And wait for a third touch. How did I get this? It's simply because of, you can see that there's an impulse, and then this is a correction for the impulse, and then again we're looking for what? We're looking for the impulse up. So it's simple, guys. Even here we're targeting this high. You see, so the market might come down here, break this low, this one, break this low, come back up, retest here, and then move up. You understand? So those who can take their risk entry here. If you can take your risk entry here, right, and then move up a bit. You understand? And then take your buys. But then if you're not sure, wait for the first impulse on 15 minutes time frame, right? And then on a correction, you'll have on a correction you'll have, sorry, that was my daughter coming in. On a correction you can take your buy here and go up. Okay, on a correction here you can take your buy and go up. Sorry, that was my daughter coming into the room, and my wife is playing music that side, so that's why there was noise. So yeah, that is it, guys. So here I'll be taking buys here. Here I'll be taking buys up until here. So yeah, this is it. USDCAD, it's buys. Gold, I had to start on a bigger time frame, right? So what's happening is I mark the high and I mark the low. You understand? The reason I mark this low is because of this. So the original low is this one. See, it looks like the market is moving up correctively. For instance, you see this low was broken, right? This low was broken, this one. This low here, the low was broken, and then after the market went up impulsively. Even this low was broken, and then the market went up impulsively. You understand? But look at this. After this high is broken, right? We had huge momentum to the downside, as in like this is an impulse, and then now we're having a bigger correction to do what, to take bigger moves to the downside. But we'll see once the market comes here. If it breaks here, then we know. If it fails to break here, we know that it's coming down. If it breaks up here, then we know we wait for reversals like this. We wait for reversals to buy. If it breaks, we wait for reversals to buy. Understand? So gold, we're trading with between this high and low. You understand? So most of you guys will say this is consolidation market and so on, but with my strategy I can trade this. You understand? With my strategy I can trade this. So we go to 1 hour time frame. We go to 1 hour time frame and then we check. You understand? We go to 1 hour time frame and then we check, and then you'll see here that we had a break of structure to the downside. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. With SMC they always say wait for break of structure, wait for break of structure, wait for break of structure. This is the break of structure that you will be waiting for. You understand? So it's a break of structure, and then the market gives us an impulse. Now this is a big correction. Understand? So the market is building what? It's building momentum. You get it? The market is building momentum to go up. But remember, if it breaks this high, if there's a candle close between this high, then we forget about taking sales. You understand? We continue with looking for buys. So on 1 hour time frame, let's go back there. On 1 hour time frame, you see now it's testing this, right? It's testing this. So the chances are the market will push down, give us a correction, and then come down here. And then if we see the impulse and then we see this correction here, then only if we see the correction, then you enter, take sales to here, or probably take them up until this low. Take them up until this low. You understand? Because the market might come here and move up again to complete a structure. You understand? To complete, let's see, to complete this structure. You see, to complete this structure. So the market might come here and then move up to come down, just to complete this here. You understand? So what I'm saying is you can take your short-term sales here. Let's see, you can take your short terms here up until these lows here. You see, you can take your short terms up until these lows here, and then if the market does not move up, if it breaks here, then we know that okay, we're no longer looking for what, we're no longer looking for the short-term buys to here. You understand? Or another thing, what the market can do, the market can simply do this, because of it already gave us the first correction. You understand? The market can simply do this. Let's see on 15 minutes. The market can simply do this. So you just have to wait and see what the market gives you. Okay, don't predict, just follow the market, because of most of your losses comes when you predict, when you think that you know the direction of the market, but you don't even know the direction of the market. So what happens is the market can even come here. You understand? The market can come here and then move down. Understand? And the market might give us this. The market might give us this. You understand? Market might give us this and then after move down. So what I see is that I think what the market will do, the market probably will push up a bit. The market will come here. The market will come here, push up a bit, or the market will push up from here. We just need to make sure and follow. You understand? Or the market will push up from here. As you can see here, the market can push up from here, giving us such movement. You see, giving us such movement and coming down. So we just have to follow. So with gold, I would say I'm gonna have to wait for it to play out. You get it? I'm gonna have to wait for gold to play out. My plan for gold is to enter only when the market comes here. I'm not gonna be taking any other trades until the market comes here. Understand? This is the only pattern I'm willing to trade on gold. This is the only pattern I'm willing to trade on gold if the market moves up. And then if I get a correction somewhere here, a continuation pattern, that's when I'll be taking buys. You understand? I mean, that's when I'll be taking sells. So for now, the first plan is to take this, right? But then if I see a pattern like this, I'm gonna be taking sells. So I'm gonna leave this like this, as I'm gonna leave my analysis like this, because this is how I plan to take gold. And then the next pair is Euro USD. Same as so the Euro USD is the same as DXY, guys. You understand? The same as DXY. If you see here, okay, let's go to 1 week so that you guys can understand why they are trend lines. You understand? As you can see here, the market on a weekly, it gave us what? It broke the structure. You understand? On a weekly, and then this is what? This is an impulse on a Euro USD. This is a correction. You understand? So what are we looking for now? We'll be looking for at that touch. It gave us at that touch. Okay, yeah, it gave us at that touch. So we'll be looking for something like this. You understand? Impulse, correction, impulse. You understand? So we're looking for an impulse up until this highs here. You understand? Up until these highs here. So we're looking for the market to go up. So we'll be having short-term sales, and then we'll be moving up. So let's go to daily so that I can show you what I'm talking about, guys. These are the short-term sales that I'm talking about. You see, the market must come here for that touch. You understand? And then the market will be moving up. As you can see, even on a daily, we have what? We have our impulse, we have our correction, and then to follow is the impulse. And then to follow is the impulse. So yeah, that's what. Okay, that's what we're looking for, guys. And then yeah, so now we'll be looking for short-term sales to the downside. We'll be looking for short-term sales to the downside. Sorry guys, I'm working from home. There was my wife coming into the room. There was my wife coming into the room, and she's playing loud music that side. Apologies again. At first it was my daughter, now it's my wife. So now we're looking for what? We're looking for sales. You understand? We're looking for sales. We're looking for sales. Soon there might be a bigger correction like this one. Understand? Soon there might be a bigger correction like this one, probably coming to these areas. Understand? But maybe after we break this here, after we break this, we'll be looking for a bigger correction, or we'll see. Understand? We cannot predict, but for now what we're looking at is this. Same as the USD pairs, guys. For now what we're looking at is this. We're looking for this for now. We're looking for something like this, right? So we're looking for the market to come to these areas, to this order block, and then we will be selling on a 4-hour time frame. You understand? And then because this is tricky on 1 hour, let me show you. Because of this one is tricky on 1 hour, I think the market will come here, right? Or the market might come here. So what we'll do is we'll wait for the first impulse correction, and then on the second impulse we enter, because of the market might come for these areas here. The market might come up here. Even here, wait for the first impulse correction, and then we enter. So that's how I'm planning to take Euro USD. And then where's my target? My first target is here, understand? And then my second target, where is it? So this is a swing strategy, guys. My second target is here, my third target it's here, and then the fourth target it's open. It's open, but obviously I'll be trailing with what with stop losses. Okay. And then the next one, it's Nasdaq. The next one, it's Nasdaq. As you can see, we are about to reach our 90% rule. We broke below, and then we come in here. We might move up. You understand? As much as I even said we might move up to break these highs here, and then to come back down, because of all this is liquidity. All this is liquidity. This must be taken out. This must be taken out. You understand? So with US30, I mean not US100, with US30, we'll be waiting to see if the market will break above here. You understand? But I think the market will come back below again. But we just have to see. We follow. You understand? We follow the market. So what's happening here? This is what I see. I see the market. As you can see that there's imbalance here. I see the market coming here. You understand? I see the market coming here and then going down. You understand? The override is if the market will give me the first impulse here and then a correction and then moving down. It's similar to gold. You understand? Similar to gold. If I see such a pattern here, I'll be taking my sales. You understand? But the first plan is this. I'm waiting for this high to be taken out, come to this and then let me do this, I mean the market to break, come to this other block and then come all the way down. You understand? So this is how I'm planning to ride the market all the way down. You understand? Because this might be liquidity. You understand? This might be liquidity, guys. So we just have to be sure. And then the next one, let's see. Okay, so it's done. I think it's 5 pairs. So yeah, thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, guys. And then my WhatsApp numbers will be in the description below if you guys have any questions about my mentorship or you guys want to join my mentorship. Thank you guys for subscribing, watching and supporting the channel. Traders GP in the house. I'm out, guys.